Assalamualaikum students. From Dean Cambridge School System, I am Hadi Jilani. Today we will learn maths and it's our fourth lecture. And in this lecture we will learn the number 4. We have to trace the number 4 in this way and we have to learn also the spells. So we will learn F O U R. F O U R. 4. What are these, students? These are the balloons. These are the balloons. How many balloons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 balloons are there. We will say 4 balloons. 4 balloons. Okay? We have to practice also the previous numbers, and these numbers were 1, 2, 3, and today we learn 4 also. So you practice 1, 2, 3 already, and you have to practice today 4, and also try to practice the previous numbers. Okay, students? These are 1, 2, 3, 4, and also learn the spells of all these numbers from 1 to 4. Okay? Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.